Hello, welcome to the Transcendent. In this video, we'll learn the function of HTML. The web is built from three coding languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It organizes a website's content clearly. Simply, it tells the user's device each element's role. CSS means cascading style sheets. It shapes a web page's look and layout beautifully. It defines colors, fonts, and sizes for every web page's appearance. Plus, it adds smooth animations and interactive touches. JavaScript is a coding language that enables dynamic, engaging interactivity. As interfaces grow complex and vibrant, JavaScript ensures a smooth user experience. Multiple coding languages can puzzle or annoy some programmers. Why does the web need several languages? Why not just one? The web's unique nature, unlike other software, demands variety. Code a website now, and it'll likely function in 5 or 10 years, no updates needed. Write code simply, and it works on decade-old computers or browsers effortlessly. The web operates on Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, mobile OS, e-readers, consoles, TVs, watches. Diverse devices support HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in unique ways. The web's core purpose was universal access. It was created to let humanity share content despite diverse computers. That's truly impressive. 3 distinct languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, divide the work effectively. HTML is straightforward in its design. No coding logic, loops, or functions exist. HTML is a declarative language. It states, "This is a paragraph. Turn this into a link. Place a form field here." It's purely vocabulary. It's all about declarations. HTML simplicity fuels its strength and durability. If HTML has errors like missing or misspelled parts, it shrugs. Close enough. It guesses the intent and corrects it. The page still loads fine. HTML endures plenty of mistakes, yet keeps working. CSS includes some logic. It has a touch of computer science structure, making it slightly fragile, yet potent. Still, CSS boasts impressive durability. If CSS fails, browsers skip only that code part, leaving other styles intact. It may look off, but browsers try hard, and most styles still apply. JavaScript holds the greatest power. It does things HTML and CSS can't manage. Yet, it's the most delicate. If code's faulty or browsers are outdated, execution halts. Browsers quit entirely. They won't run that JavaScript. Guessing isn't an option, making JavaScript brittle. Using all 3 languages lets developers blend toughness, strength, and capability. It's truly impressive. Maximize work in the sturdier language layers, then enhance sites with the rest. If a task suits HTML, always choose HTML for it. If not possible, then employ CSS or JavaScript instead. Ultimately, HTML is truly remarkable. Learning all its elements and attributes thoroughly is worthwhile to fully harness its vast potential.